In this video, we're going to show you how to install the license plate bracket on your Ford F-150 located on your front bumper. Now here's your license plate bracket, and you're going to flip it over, and on the back there's going to be 8 locking tabs, 2 on each side, and they actually clamp onto little brackets on the bumper themselves. And on the back side we need to reach around and open up or pull on these brackets here to unlock them. All right, so let's reach around to the back side, and these 2 tabs here we're going to pull out, pull towards you, and then push the bracket inward a little bit, and that'll unlock the other 2 on the other side. Now we're going to repeat this process for the other end. Pull out, push it inward, and unlock it. Now installing the bracket, you want to make sure that the tabs are on the bottom, not on the top, and simply line up the brackets onto these posts right here on the bumper and gently push in. Once that's clipped on, go ahead and install your license plate and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.